Okay, so this is kind of sort of part two of the same. I made a video yesterday about using hot staples to repair a third generation Camaro or Firebird or a lot of cars from the 1980s. The bumper covers and whatnot are made out of polyurethane. I think that's getting too hot. And the only thing that's going to work to fix a polyurethane bumper is hot polyurethane. The video I made yesterday was I attempted to use one of those hot, squiggly staple guns that heats up that staple sort of thing and works great for ABS plastic, such as a dashboard for one of these cars, but it will not work for polyurethane. Epoxy does not work long-term on polyurethane. Body filler doesn't. The only thing that will work is this thing right here. I got it from Urethane Supply Company, and it I'm not going to go into depth. Look it up. It's called a Model 5 mini welder, but here's the result. So yesterday's video, you'll see there was this lower ground effect was literally torn completely in half, and so I use this plastic welder, and it comes with various different kinds of plastic rods that you can melt and repair things. The urethane rod is a clear one, looks like that. You feed it through this little horseshoe looking thing, it melts it, and somehow chemically it bonds to a polyurethane. So let's take a look at just how good this repair is. Okay, so there it is. I'm not pulling that apart. It's not coming apart. So it works amazingly well. This is I think the third repair I've done on a polyurethane product. So unfortunately, guys, this is the only way you're going to repair this material. These little welder kits are about 250 bucks. Probably not worth purchasing them if you're only going to use them once. I'm thinking of maybe renting this out with a $275 or maybe a $300 deposit, and then maybe $40 for using it, plus mailing it back and forth. So if any of you guys are interested in something like that, let me know. You'd have to buy your own polyurethane rods, which are, I think, $10 or $12. So anyway, there you go. Hope that helps you guys.